Namaskar and good morning. Friends, I have already given you in one group 15 companies, 15 stars who have performed very well in Q1 FY21. They had scored a growth of more than 100% in Q1 FY21. Therefore, I had given them. And I had promised I will come up with a few more. Now, here is the second group of 15 stars. After this, we will go and find out the stars who have scored around 80%, 70%, 90% growth. That also we will see. They are also very good companies. So we have to choose from amongst such companies for our investment. That is why I am giving them. So now in the second group, the first company that I am giving you is Chaman Lal Sethia. So it is dealing in various types of rice. So just like LT foods, etc. Now it's also faring reasonably well in the recent past. Net sales in the latest quarter are 244 crores, previous quarter 223 crores, and Q1 of last year, same quarter last year, 207 crores. So 18% growth year on year in sales, 9% growth year on quarter on quarter in sales. Net profit 25 crores in Q1 FY21, 21 crores in Q4, that is previous quarter, and 7 crores only in Q1 of last year. So the annual year-on-year growth in profits is 284%, and quarter-on-quarter it is 22%. Quarter-on-quarter also reasonably good. Year-on-year is very impressive at 284%. Will it score like this in the next quarter? I don't know, but whatever it scores will be impressive. It will be good. The market price is around 97. Price earning at this market price and current EPS is 5.16, which means the price earning is very low. Promoters hold 73.87%. Pledge is 0. So Chaman Lal Sethia is one group, one company. Basmati rice, Sona rice, so many types of rice it is selling. So it's performing reasonably well. Sales are increasing like this, upward curve. Profits are increasing like this. So it's good. The next one is Rallis India. Old company dealing in fertilizers, chemicals, etc. The net sales are 663 crores. Very superbly done in Q1 FY21. Previous quarter 346 crores and the year ago quarter is 363 crores. Compared to year ago quarter, the improvement in sales itself is 83%. And that is year on year growth is 83% in sales, 91% growth in sales quarter on quarter. So year on year, quarter on quarter, both are very impressive as far as sales are concerned. Now look at net profit, 92 crores. Previous quarter was 0.55, its previous quarter was 37 crores, its previous quarter was 83 crores, its previous quarter was 8 crores. So 5 quarters net profit I have given for the one reason. There is some inconsistency in the net profits. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down, like that. Now year on year growth is 1004%. See, from 8 crores to 92 crores, growth is there year on year. And quarter on quarter growth is 16,000, 0.55 to 92. Market price is 312, price earning at this net profit and at this market price is 16. Promoters hold 50%. Pledge is 0. Rallis India is a good company, but it is seasonal. Therefore, it goes like this, comes like this, goes up like this, again comes like this, goes up like this, like it is there. But overall, if you look at that, it is growing. If you iron out the seasonalities, it is growing well. The next one is Heritage Foods. Net sales are 620 crores in Q1. In previous quarter of Q4, 643 crores. So there is a reduction. Then Q1 of last year, 711 crores. So net sales have fallen by 13% year on year. Fallen, degrowth. Minus 4% quarter on quarter. So quarter on quarter and year on year, both sales degrowth is there. Now, if you look at net profit is 94 crores. Previous quarter, minus 210 loss. Why? There was huge other expenses for some reason in Q4. So therefore, it had incurred a net profit loss in the previous quarter. Q1 last year, 15 crores. Now, overall, if you see, year on year growth in net profit is 333%. But because of the huge other expenses, there is a degrowth in net profit, minus 145% quarter on quarter. Year on year growth is 333%. Quarter on quarter degrowth is 145% because of huge other expenses in the previous quarter. Market price is around 345. Price earning is 4.4, very low because of the comparative performance in Q4. Promoters hold 39.9%. Pledge is 0. Heritage Foods was doing very well. It has done very well in Q1 of this year, but previous quarter dismal. Therefore, performance has been marred. Let us see the next quarter and then take a decision as far as Heritage is concerned. But net profit growth is 333%. The next is Bank of India. You know, it's a public sector bank. Operating profit is 2,857. Profit before tax is 1,347. Net profit is 851 crores. So it has scored very well in this quarter. Net profit 851 crores. You know, year on year growth is 246. Previous quarter there was a loss. Therefore, compared to that loss also, this current net profit is great. So, Bank of India has performed very well in the last 3 quarters and latest quarter is the best. Market price at around now is 53. Price earning is 5.14. See, it is owned by Government of India, 81%, something like that. Now it wants to sell part of that 81% to the public. There is no pledge. The next is Ipca Laboratories. Ipca Laboratories, you know, it is in pharmaceuticals. Net sales are 1,534 crores. Previous quarter, 1,074 crores. Its previous quarter, 1,078 crores. Suddenly, there is a jump of 500 crores. So, 42% year on year and 43% quarter on quarter. 42% year on year, 43% quarter on quarter growth in net sales. Now, let us go to net profit. 446 crores in the latest quarter compared to just 86 crores in the previous quarter and 130 crores in year ago quarter. So there is a huge jump of 244% year on year in net sales, 419% jump quarter on quarter. So net sales have jumped impressively, 244% year on year, 419% quarter on quarter. Market price is around 2005, rather high, but performance also is high. Price earning is 14. Promoters sold 46% and pledge is 0. Ipca Laboratories has been performing very well, but price is a little high. But probably it is worth it. Then sixth one is Newland Laboratories. Net sales is 205 crores in Q1 this year, 192 crores in the previous quarter, 181 crores in the year ago quarter. So there is a 13.49% growth in year on year and 7.19% growth in net sales quarter on quarter. So 13.49% year on year, 7.19% quarter on quarter growth in net sales. Now net profit is 15 crores now, compared to loss of 9 crores in the previous quarter and gain of 6 crores in the year ago quarter. So 166% year on year growth in net profit and about 263% growth in quarter on quarter. So net profit, net sales have grown impressively in Neuland Laboratories in the latest quarter. It's good. Market price is around 955, a little high. Price earning is a little high at 20.2%. Promoters hold 36.2%. Pledge is small. Okay, pledge is there, but 4.31%. So Neuland Laboratories also has done very well. But I always suggest you examine the original videos, my own videos, in full, and then take your decisions. Then Hindustan Foods. Net sales 201.89 crores latest quarter, 247.66 crores previous quarter, 77.674 crores year ago quarter. So there is a huge 160% growth in net sales year on year and a degrowth of 18% quarter on quarter. That doesn't matter. Net profit is 3.89 crores, 3.89, 7, 302, 28.81, minus 44.43. So it has been topsy-turvy net profit. But latest quarter it has grown. Market price is 770. Price earning is 105. Promoters hold a stake of 62.62%. Pledge is 0. Hindustan Foods is growing. Last 2 quarters there is growth. Earlier the sales and profits were dismal. Now it is growing very well. Then Sequent Scientific. Net sales are 310 crores latest quarter, 300 crores previous quarter, 278 crores year ago quarter. So 12% growth year on year and 3% growth quarter on quarter. Net sales have grown by 12% and 3% year on year, quarter on quarter. Net profit is 24.47 crores compared to 18 crores in the previous quarter and 15 crores in the year ago quarter. So net profit has grown by just 60% year on year and 34% quarter on quarter. Market price is 135. You see here it is less than 100. That also I included because Sequent Scientific holds some great promise. It has got good market sentiment of late. Market price is 135. Price earning is very high. That's why I said market sentiment is high here for some reason or other. It is expected to perform well in the coming quarters. Price earning is around 40, very high. Generally, I don't go for price earning higher than 20, 25, something like that. I don't go for that. But this is price earning 40. But it is expected to perform very well. 52-week low is 52, 52-week high is 145. Current market price 135. Promoters hold 56% equity. Pledge is very high at 71%. So I don't know, somehow market is having a lot of sentiment towards Sequent Scientific. But I won't advise you to buy now. Wait for next quarter. Next quarter results you see. Then if it is worth it, then we will go for it. But Sequent Scientific I have included because it is having lot of market sentiment. Next is Copran. Copran is a small pharmaceutical company but is growing very well. Net sales are 121 crores in the latest quarter, 87 crores in the previous quarter, 84 crores in year ago quarter. So there is a 44% growth year on year and 38% growth quarter-on-quarter net sales. So net sales growth 44% and 38% year-on-year, quarter-on-quarter is very, very impressive. Let us see net profit now. 14 crores in the latest quarter, 4.81 crores in the previous quarter, 4.22 crores in the year ago quarter. Now what is the growth figures? 237% year on year, 196% quarter on quarter. So net profit has grown very impressively, 237% year on year, 196% quarter on quarter. Net sales also has grown very impressively, 44% year on year, 38% quarter on quarter. Market price is 72, reasonable. Price earning is reasonable at 5.47, very reasonable. 52-week low is 16, 52-week high is 78, promoter sold 43.78%, good. Pledge is 0. So it seems to be at an attractive phase. If it repeats the performance of Q1 in Q2, Q3, etc., it's a very good bet. At present, many times it is selling buyers only. Try for it. Then next is Kaiton Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited. Net sales are 129 crores. Previous quarter 95 crores. Its year ago quarter is 106 crores. Now year on year growth is 21. Quarter on quarter growth is 35. Net profit is 7 crores in Q1, 6 crores in Q4 last year, just 2 crores in year ago quarter. So 197% growth year on year and 17% growth quarter on quarter. Net sales have grown 21% year on year and 35% quarter on quarter. Net profit has grown 197% year on year and 17% quarter on quarter. Market price is still around 17, 18, something like that. Price earning is 6. 52-week low was 4 and 52-week high was 21. Promoters hold 74.99%, but pledge is very high at 74.99%. So I am giving you 10 stars. All of them are good, but I have given their weakness also. Their pledge is very high. They have to reduce it, but their net profit performance, net sales performance, that you have to see before you buy. But you see the original videos and then make your choice. Thank you. I will come up with more stars. Thank you.